Yeah man, so what happened people? We basically after a walk go to the spot where them want shoot, you know? Welcome again people. We're there. Another video. Yeah man, and Django carry shot pan, you know? Yeah man. So that's how things set up. So hopefully we're gonna get some good shoot this morning. Saturday morning here on the second week of shooting. We have Maxi Cat picking up for shavon. Well, today I'm going to make sure that I get some clips of a shavon shooting. Yeah, give you some highlights of a shavon. That my other brother. Yeah, always I see Philip. So I go make us see some shooting from Shavu. Alright, so people stay tuned, you know. Don't come off of the video. So stay tuned, you know, people. Don't come off of the video. Chainsaw man.
Chainsaw man. Hey, the boss. When the came and the hospital, you know, man, the man said, Jesus Christ, I saw you really going to take me.
What? Where they clapped it already?
How intense are you?
Hmm?
Are you intense?
No, man, the tree boss me, I want to find a guy tree, man, the man have to tap all wheelbarrow, me go find some actual man in a wheelbarrow. Man, Philip!
Oh, and that one is out of the hair.
The tree pass me, man, I think that's coming.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
See there?
Man, sit down, Philip!
Pomba, my boy, I'm gonna shoot no one man. You
Yo, I'm not passing.
Yeah, see me have a gun and me lay down. Stay low.
Mark.
Boy,
Shoot him, bud.
tree boy never have no shoes, man.
You know what? Let me come here. Look, this look like
Two birds there, they see me a shoot, they low me say me.
Pop him.
I want to live up this and go and follow them there.
Then I blow a scope bird there. How they fly so?
Yo, they might bury that plan to kill somebody. Morning.
Ah, Melo.
Ah, wagwan.
So that there what? Our Django? What that? What that, Django?
Bali.
Mr. Melvin?
They look young.
Hopefully, you drop the one there, whatever.
Well, I know, I can't even find him things. Mr. Zaka dead, don't you?
Oh, shit.
No, I don't want to go drop the bird, I mean,
Aye.
then two birds, them could have shoot them, you know. And two them low, I mean, they want fire. They just duck. Pitch, them a come pitch. A two pitch in a field, you know, one pitch down there, so. And one pitch up where Philip is.
Watch over this. Watch a glider galang. So yes people, we have Shavu right here. We have Philip down that side. We have a nice sunshine. The sun about to rise. But these birds are marks. They kind of a little bit whitish, man.
Yo, just shut up your mouth, that's what you do. Man, you deaf.
Yo, see two come there. See two come there. See them there in front of you.
Then turn back.
Like that. A pitch, you might come pitch with you, you know. Man, that's my bird of casa.
Yo, when I see about them come, you know what you have to do? Just lie down and put it to the load the come.
I said, go on, daddy.
Man, then catch it.
Aye. Alright. Alright, Maxi Cat. You got that one. Yeah. Tell me my man get. Then you say man get gift. You have to wait till the turn come.
Think you say we have put... Watch him, Philip.
Yeah.
He's dropping up.
What you done? The final thing they done just collapse.
Alpha one for me.
Yeah, man.
For me one dead, you know, see him jump out the sky and go boof. Shot there no good, man.
Man.
That Philip I gotta say, you know. Right now, green tree, there's enough fire.
A Django no which party in Jap. So we have Mr. Zaka. We have Mr. Zaka shooting over that side. Trust me, you're so nice to shoot.
Put me in one place, not even can see.
Oh man, birds won't come across me. Again. Alright. Poof. And beauty run go for that one. Watch your man look at feathers. Look at feathers.
Yeah?
This my kid.
You wanna just drop?
Yeah, my kid.
Yeah.
And they want to drop far though, that is nice.
Back up in Philip. Back up in Philip. Knock him from there, son. Ah, yeah, Django, you drop. Drop. That's a wrap. Giant. A grandfather. Django said the one that big, I must say grandfather. So I say a ball plate grandfather. Now come to you, Jabu. Yeah, more pitch. Go along field now, go along field. In the night, you have to do it before you go in. Yeah, in job. Yeah, man, in job. Yeah.
Two come over here.
In front. If you want to try. Philip, over so. Wow. Man, engine shut off. Engine shut off. Watch him. Engine shut off, you know. Man, a crash land. I'm weird down to that guy. Yeah, man. That's a who? Emergency landing. Maxi cat with another one. How much you got now, Maxi?
Just 11.
Wow, we're going good. Good. For real. I say every mickle make a muckle, you know?
Just like.
Philippines, China. Alright. Poof. The one that come back in the shabu. On pitch. You get him? In job too? Wow.
Come in, you. What do you want to do?
Right there, a big tree. Where you sit down there, sir? A big green tree there. Bear to your left, see him. Your right, see him.
Yeah, I go different way, man.
No, man, you go right.
Oh, yeah. You're good right a foot in there now.
Right there, sir. What? You want the job, you know? Job right in the middle there. Oh. Max Philip! Job straight, sir.
Pigeon?
Yeah. See real one there, no?
Mark Philip!
The one that he said he could hide under disguise. Oh my God, the one the boy. Yeah. Yeah. No shoot after. So 2 more. Maxi cat did say 11. Then this make 13 then. So the rock looking at people. We are shoot. Alright, so 13 or 14, one of them. See Busha move. Very easy. Alright people, so give Shavu a strength. We show you how we must shoot. Now resort back to Filipino for the rest of the shoot, for the rest of the morning. Make us see what I go on. Max Philip. Wow. Shavu get that one there. Max Philip. I got pigeon there. Pigeon again. Oh, see which one there now? Aye. Hey, me say pigeon there wicked in there, man. Pigeon there decoy real bird there. Me say a bird come right to the blouse cup pigeon them. Watch out. A Django fi mark say them the one they come in never see them. No, a Django fi see that for them. Django you have to sharp, you know, Django. Alright. When they jump over there, so Django. You know see him? I changed the mark, Mr. Zachary, man. Drop straight, so. Just follow, so look. No, man, I'm glad to show you where in job. So Django said we're going 13. Water, this a flowing of people, Lord God. That's why a bird then come and feed for the corn and the rice and then come drink your water. You go having a sat. Yo, Philippines, where you see have the guns them loaded about season, you know. Shot no.
Me I tell the people, cause we have no shot for the season.